Hi everyone, my name's Amelia Schrader and I'm the Executive Director for Young Audiences of Western New York. I'm excited today to show you one of our Spring Into Creativity kits that you can get for your family. This is our spring fundraiser that's happening this year over the first 2 weeks in June, and you can get one of 4 different kits or more than one kit if you'd like to do some really fun arts integrated activities with your family. This kit we have today that I'm showing you is specifically for kids, and we have 2 teaching artists that are going to be doing workshop activities with your children, and grown-ups can join in too. Everything comes in a nice cooler tote that you can actually use all spring and summer as you go outdoors, have hiking, maybe a trip to the beach and some fun with your family. And you can remember all the great activities you did during Spring Into Creativity. Our first teaching artist is Gaitrie Subryan, and she is the founder of Devi Bollywood Dance. And what you guys are going to be doing with her is some Bollywood dance, and she has some different instruments for you guys while you're working with her dance. So we have a scarf that you'll use during the dance. We also have these sticks that are very common in Bollywood dance, and a little piece of washi tape which you'll use to decorate the sticks while you're doing your dance performance. We also have in there some henna, because Gaitrie will also talk a lot about Indian culture, traditions, and heritage, and this is a big part of that. So she'll be able to share that with you, and then that's something that you guys can do safely together as a family. We also have in here a pencil and some paper, and what you're going to be doing with Gaitrie is learning a little bit more about drawing and mindfulness and how that can be a calming activity. And she'll talk a lot about her artistry and her influences from India and from her culture in her drawing. Our second teaching artist we're going to be working with is Benjamin Berry, who is a really fun, vibrant person, and he does circus arts, which is incredible to watch. And he is going to be teaching our kiddos a little bit about juggling and movement. So he has some juggling balls in here, and they're all really fun colors. We also have some juggling scarves, because as our kiddos are learning juggling, they're actually going to start with scarves. It's a lot less practice to start with the scarves because they're not as heavy and they're easier to throw. And then we also have another circus instrument in here that he's going to show you how to do some really cool movements with. I hope you guys are as excited about this kit as I am. I can't wait to share it with you. For more information or to purchase your own kit, go to www.yawny.org, and we look forward to seeing you with us as we spring into creativity.